Let's make quick and easy banana fritters. For the ingredients, you'll need slightly overripe bananas, milk, flour, baking powder, cornstarch, brown sugar and vanilla extract. In a mixing bowl, peel and mash your bananas with a fork or masher until smooth. Add the brown sugar and mix until well combined and sugar has dissolved. Add cornstarch. Add flour. While mixing, add milk gradually till a thick batter is formed. Then add the baking powder and mix. Finally add the vanilla and mix and your batter is ready for frying. Heat some oil for deep frying and using a spoon, scoop about 1 tablespoon of batter into the hot oil to fry. When the base of the batter has set and browned lightly, flip the fritters and let cook on the other side. Cook the fritters until they are browned evenly to a deep brown color. Dust the banana fritter with icing sugar. You can also drizzle Nutella or chocolate sauce. It is best enjoyed when hot with some tea or coffee. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.